All right, hello, my name is Caleb Fox. I'm the Director of Product Management for ClimateMaster, and today I'm talking about our new SB Series with Hot Gas Reheat. So the SB Series is a vertical package unit available in 6 tons to 25 ton capacity, vertical configuration. It has dual circuited hot gas reheat. The next feature is it's got a direct drive EC plenum fans. Now with the introduction of this feature, we've also have a new field configured supply air location. So as you can see right here, traditionally we had supply air out the top or supply air out the front or the back. However, our new options, we can do supply air, field configured from left or right, and these are all the same size, so those features can move up and down and really convertible in the field, so the customers can stock these, or if there is any kind of issues, adjust in the field. The SB Series offers field convertible left and right water connections along with field convertible condensate connections. As we move around to the front side of the unit, our SB Series is offered in 2 single stage compressors, and to get with the new model has true part load operation. And what I mean by that is when we go into part load operation with a single compressor, we then take our fan motor, our airflow down to 50%. And then on the water side, we have 2 independent refrigeration circuits with 2 water coils, and when we go into first stage of operation, we have a water valve in there that will actually cut water flow off the first stage. So in part load, we've got part load refrigerant from 1 stage compressor, we got part load water from water flow through 1 coaxial heat exchanger, and part load airflow. So we have true part load air operation in a large capacity product. Now, one of the things that makes ClimateMaster unique in the way that we apply our new hot gas reheat technology is we've implemented our variable flow, our VFlow modulating water valve. Now, the variable flow water valve, the VFlow water valve, functionally takes the place of the traditional 2-way motorized water valve and an auto flow regulator combined into one component. Our standard series, that had to be mounted as accessories outside of the product. In the new series, it is mounted internally to the product in a factory installed. Now, that is just comparison to the traditional, but the VFlow valve actually does more than that, and it modulates water flow to a delta T. So again, it's only allowing the water flow that you need at any given time, maximizing your efficiency when it comes to water pumping. In regards to the new hot gas reheat feature, we actually repurposed that water valve to do head pressure control during reheat mode. ClimateMaster is the only manufacturer and water source heat pumps to do this, making our design unique in the marketplace. The new product comes standard with 2 DXM 2.6 controls for operating the technology. We also, all these products come standard with the refrigerant detection system, and this technology is also offered with our new ClimateLink Edge DDC controller, which is another video, but it offers backnet connection through MST or IP, and also Modbus, TCP or RTU. It's also feature packed with many other options such as a water side economizer, extended range insulation, ultra quiet, or sound attenuation are just some of the few. Thank you very much. We're excited to see you guys ask us about the new SB with hot gas reheat.